What you are about to see is going to completely change how you view online business. The days of hiring scriptwriters, video editors, and SEO managers are over. Today, I am going to show you how to build a fully automated faceless YouTube empire using a single cloud-hosted AI agent called MaxClaw. Watch how simple this is. I go to MaxClaw, click Start Now, select my default expert, and within 10 seconds, my dedicated cloud agent is deployed. No coding, no servers, no API keys to manage. Now, we need a business plan. I am pasting in a highly complex prompt asking the agent to research the most profitable kids' YouTube content formats in 2026. I want to know the target age groups, the ideal video lengths, and the current algorithmic trends. And I want it formatted as a professional strategy report. Look at the Current Process tab. It is actually browsing the live web right now to get this data. In less than a minute, it generates a masterclass strategy document. This isn't just generic advice, it is highly actionable data. It identifies that 3D animated nursery rhymes are dominating the market. It pinpoints our exact demographic, toddlers aged 2 to 5 years old. Why? Because it's the highest volume view count with the most replayability. If we scroll down, it even gives us the exact algorithmic sweet spots for 2026, telling us to keep videos between 5 and 15 minutes to maximize retention and satisfy the YouTube algorithm. It identifies that the market is currently flooded with low-quality AI garbage, meaning if we focus on high-quality 3D Pixar-style animations, we will completely dominate the space. It just did a week's worth of market research and competitor analysis in 60 seconds. We have our blueprint. Now, it's time to execute. I feed that exact research right back into the agent. I tell it, based on your research, let's create a show concept called Sunny and Friends. Target age, 2 to 5. Style, bright 3D Pixar animation. I give it 3 characters, Sunny the Bear, Luna the Owl, and Ziggy the Frog, and I command it to write a full episode script. Look at the level of detail it is spitting out. This is a full Hollywood standard production document. It gives us the exact runtime. It writes a 10-second opening jingle. It breaks down the scene descriptions, the lighting cues, the camera movements, and the exact dialogue. It even structures a learning moment into the script to keep it educational. You do not need to be a creative director to do this. MaxClaw's context window is so massive that it perfectly remembered our target audience from the first prompt and tailored the pacing and vocabulary specifically for toddlers. But a great script is completely useless if nobody clicks on the video. We need a thumbnail. I prompt the agent, generate a thumbnail image for this video. Show Sunny the Bear holding a red ball with Ziggy and Luna, vibrant, highly saturated colors. 3D Pixar style. The agent connects to its multimodal image generator, and boom, look at this masterpiece. The lighting, the subsurface scattering on the character's fur, the vibrant background, it is absolutely flawless. This looks like it was rendered by a multi-million-dollar animation studio. And look below the image, the agent is proactively suggesting our next steps, like adding title overlays or creating a series Bible. It is literally managing the project for us. Using the exact visual prompts the agent provided in the script, we generated our raw video clips. Look at the quality of this AI video generation. The character consistency is incredible. The physics of the bouncing ball, the facial expressions, the dynamic lighting, it brings the entire script to life perfectly. We have our raw assets, but normally right here, you would have to download all these files, open up Premiere Pro, and spend hours editing them together. Before we edit, let's scale the business. I tell MaxClaw to act as our production manager. I want a full series Bible outlining the lore of the show, I want the script for episode 2, and I want a complete YouTube upload checklist. Watch it build out an entire cinematic universe. It generates character backstories, lays out the episode timeline, and then gives me a flawless SEO checklist for YouTube. It generates the video title, the description, the exact tags to use, and reminds me to toggle the Made for Kids compliance settings. It is operating as a full-service digital agency, ensuring we don't miss a single step before we hit publish. Now, for the ultimate flex, the final boss of AI automation. I have the raw video clips loaded into my workspace. I give MaxClaw one simple command. Please stitch the videos created and put it into one clip. MaxClaw doesn't give me instructions on how to do it myself. It drops into its own internal terminal, writes the Python and FFmpeg code required to process video files, crossfades the scenes, normalizes the resolution, and literally renders the final video autonomously. Look at this. The final perfectly stitched continuous episode. We went from a blank screen to market research, a full script, a thumbnail, and a final edited video using nothing but text commands. Let me stop you right there. You just watched me build an automated YouTube channel in under 10 minutes. But knowing this tool exists means absolutely nothing if you don't take action and actually build the business. And that is exactly why I created the AI Money Forge. We just crossed 177 hardcore members, and this community is growing exponentially every single day. Inside the Forge, I am not just showing you cool party tricks. I am handing you my private, battle-tested agency blueprints. You get full access to our step-by-step automation masterclasses, ready-to-use Make.com templates, and the exact workflows you need to deploy autonomous agents that print cash. If I package the systems inside this community into a standard tech bootcamp, it would easily be valued at $999. But right now you get the keys to the entire vault. The people inside this group are securing the bag and building real empires, while everyone else is just scrolling and watching videos. The window for this massive AI wealth transfer is closing fast. Do not get left behind. Click the link in the description, join the 177 killers inside the AI Money Forge right now, and let's go to work. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the inside. If you want to run a fully autonomous AI agent but you don't know how to code, you don't want to rent servers, and you hate dealing with Docker containers, your life is about to change. Welcome to MaxClaw. This is the official, fully cloud-hosted version of the OpenClaw framework. It takes everything we love about autonomous agents and removes all the technical friction. In under 10 seconds, you can deploy a live agent with a 200,000 token persistent memory, plug it directly into your Telegram or Discord, and give it a full toolchain to browse the web and execute code. But the real secret weapon is the engine. MaxClaw isn't relying on expensive OpenAI API keys. It is powered natively by the Minimax M2.5 Foundation model. This is a massive 329 billion parameter mixture of experts architecture. It delivers frontier-level reasoning, flawless code generation, and multi-step tool calling. But because of their proprietary Lightning Attention framework, it costs a fraction of what you'd pay for Claude 3.5 Sonnet. You get enterprise power with zero technical debt. Whether you are a developer who wants to automate bug testing or an agency owner looking to drop a highly intelligent customer support bot directly into your Slack workspace, this is the ultimate solution. And deployment is literally just 4 steps. Visit the dashboard, select MaxClaw, click Deploy, and connect your app.